Is your team stuck in a spreadsheet rut? Are you juggling tasks in Asana but then spending hours manually updating a massive Excel file for reporting? If so, you're not alone. The friction between these two tools is a common pain point for project managers everywhere. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? What if you could have the best of both worlds, the dynamic, collaborative power of Asana and the data crunching, number analyzing capabilities of Excel? Today, we're diving deep into the question, does Asana work with Excel? The short answer is yes, absolutely. But the real question is, how well and what are the best ways to make it happen? We're going to explore the different integration methods available, from simple one-time imports to powerful two-way syncs. We'll look at the benefits of each and help you decide which solution is the perfect fit for your team. For a long time, the relationship between Asana and Excel was, let's say, a little bit one-sided and clunky. You could export data from Asana as a CSV file, then import it into Excel. It was a functional but frustrating process. You'd have to do it every time you needed fresh data, and there was no way to get updates from Excel back into Asana. It was a tedious, manual dance that wasted valuable time and left your data out of sync almost as soon as you finished. Fortunately, that's all changed. Asana, recognizing the need for better connectivity, has developed a variety of ways to bridge this gap. We're going to break down the 3 primary methods for connecting these two powerful tools, starting with the simplest and moving to the most robust. First up is the classic and still very useful CSV import and export. This is your go-to for one-off data transfers. Maybe you're a project manager migrating an old project from a spreadsheet into Asana, or a team lead who needs to create a snapshot report of project progress for a board meeting. Asana's built-in CSV importer makes it easy to bring in tasks, descriptions, assignees, due dates, and even custom fields from your spreadsheet. The process is straightforward. Just format your Excel sheet correctly, save it as a CSV, and upload it directly into a new or existing Asana project. On the other side, you can export any Asana project as a CSV file. This is perfect for when you need to run some complex calculations or generate a specific type of chart that's not available in Asana's native reporting. Think about things like pivot tables, advanced financial analysis, or custom dashboards. This method gives you total control over the data, but remember, it's a one-way street. Any changes you make in Excel won't be reflected back in Asana. So, while CSV is a good starting point, it's not a solution for real-time collaboration. This is where we get to our second method, using an integration platform. Tools like Zapier or Unito are the middlemen that make magic happen. These platforms are designed to create automated workflows, or ZAPs, that connect Asana and Excel in powerful new ways. With these tools, you can set up a trigger in one app that causes an action in the other. For example, you could create a ZAP that says, when a new task is created in a specific Asana project, automatically create a new row in a specific Excel spreadsheet. Or, you can reverse it. When a new row is added to my Excel sales pipeline, automatically create a new task in Asana for the sales team to follow up. The real game changer here is the ability for a two-way sync. You can set up a connection where changes made in Asana, like a task being marked as complete or a due date being updated, automatically reflect in your Excel sheet. And vice versa. If a finance team member updates a budget number in Excel, that data can flow directly into the custom fields of the corresponding Asana task. This eliminates manual data entry, ensures everyone is working from the same information, and saves a tremendous amount of time. These integration platforms offer a level of flexibility that's hard to beat. You can define specific rules, filter what data gets synced, and map individual fields between Asana and Excel. This gives you the ability to create highly customized workflows that perfectly match your team's needs. While many of these services require a paid plan for the more advanced features, the time saved and the accuracy gained often make them well worth the investment. Finally, we have the most advanced and direct method, using dedicated add-ins and connectors. Asana has developed its own apps for Microsoft products, and other third-party developers have created powerful, enterprise-grade connectors. These often provide a more seamless experience than a general-purpose integration platform. For example, there are add-ins that allow you to read, write, and update Asana data directly from within Microsoft Excel. This means you can be working on a spreadsheet, pull in live Asana project data with a click, and then update a task assignee or due date without ever leaving your Excel window. These tools are often aimed at larger organizations with more complex data requirements, but they represent the pinnacle of a truly integrated workflow. They allow you to leverage the full power of Excel's formulas, pivot tables, and visualization tools on live, up-to-the-minute Asana data. So, to circle back to our original question, does Asana work with Excel? The answer is a resounding yes, and there are more ways than ever to make it work for you. Whether you're a small team doing a one-off import or a large organization looking for a robust, two-way sync, there's a solution that can help you streamline your workflow, eliminate manual data entry, and keep your entire team aligned. Don't let your project management tool and your favorite spreadsheet live in separate worlds. Bring them together and unlock a new level of efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.